Hey y'all, it's me Marty. Welcome to another video, and it's time for another store video, and it's time for another military surplus store video. Okay, so I know you all like the store tours I do, or it's just kind of fun, and I got a lot of views on the last military store I did, the surplus store I did in Billings, Montana, so I thought I'd do another one. So I am at the Indy Army Navy store. I think I'm on the east side of Indianapolis, Indiana. So I've been here before, and this is actually one of my favorite stores. It's pretty cool. There's actually a few of them in the Indianapolis area, but I think this is the best one. And again, this is one of those ones that have some new stuff and some older stuff too. And yeah, so let's go check it out. So yeah, they got a lot of cool gear in here. I've actually got a couple things here before. Not planning on buying anything today, but you never know. Again, they have lots of cool gear for hiking, backpacking, camping, bushcraft, everything. Whoa, there we go. Okay, thank you. So yeah, it's very cool. There's all kinds of stuff. There's used stuff and new stuff. We got knives. There's some more knives. I'm not going to talk much. I'm just going to go around and look. And they got lots of emblems and patches and badges and yeah, just all kinds of cool pins. Very cool stuff. All kinds of different knives. I got enough knives, but oh, there's some neat Moras there. I didn't know they even had those. Very cool. Helmets and ooh, cool airplane. Look at that. That's pretty cool. That's cool. Oh, they got military coins. That is cool. Rings. I never seen those before. Very cool. K-Bar ice cream scoop. Very cool. Such cool gear. Lots of cool gear. Again, a lot of this is really good for camping and hiking and bushcraft. Flags and gloves and ooh, that's pretty cool.
Well, have they said any more about when you guys are moving?
That's pretty cool. That's like a haversack. I'm not big on haversacks, but
Yeah, it looks that way.
those are pretty cool. Very cool.
That don't break your heart, does it? Oh no.
Those notepads, different straps. Those are actually, what do you call them? Suspenders. Lots of cool gear for weapons and ammunition, and I like all these. I got a lot of these different kinds of pouches and stuff for my backpacks. And again, some of them are expensive, but you can get surplus and good deals on them. Someday I wouldn't mind getting a vest. I think these vests are really cool, but actually that ain't real bad for these things. But yeah, there's new ones and used ones, and look at this, they even got camping guides and stuff, and oh, they got all kinds of shirts. This is a pretty cool store. This is one of my favorites. So I think what's really cool is, boy, that's some heavy duty rope. What I think is cool is they have you know, new military gear, surplus military gear, and then they mix in camping gear and hiking gear. And ooh, like that micro cord, that's kind of like bank line. Well, it basically is bank line. Paracord, carabiners. Another cool little sack there. Gosh, that one's pretty cool. I like that one. Backpacking meals, MREs. I might get an MRE and do another video. Just opening the thing is a fun fun video. Yeah. I'm not planning on getting anything, but let's see. After the video, I might see, maybe just one little thing. Ooh, wool blankets. I got my wool blanket here. Towels. Ooh, cool. Look at that. That's like an old-fashioned canteen kind of thing. That's pretty cool. And then they got these canteens. Oh wow, they got brand new. Brand new canteen cups. You know, I thought it would be kind of neat to get another one and use it and try to do some canteen meals, because people do that. Like, you know, Canteen Cup Tuesday or whatever, I don't know. But I don't want to use my canteen cup that I have for food. I want to keep it for coffee. See, I like all these pouches. These are actually Molly pouches for water bottles, for like a Nalgene. I had one of those. I gave it to somebody. I don't know. Different canteen covers, and well, there's so much. Yeah, you could just spend all day. So again, I don't want to make this a long video, but just to give you a glimpse. All these shovel holders. I got one of these at the duffel bags, and very cool. Uniforms. Yeah. Oh yeah. Someday I'd like to get an M65 jacket. They're not even that bad. 140 bucks, and these are very nice jackets. But I would just get a used one. Oops, it's falling off the hanger there. I'm one-handed trying to get it back on. Well, anyway, I'll fix it in a second. Jackets. Oh, we got uniforms down here. I mean, in all the different services of, you know, of the military. So I have a shirt, but I'd like to get some pants, like waterproof, like almost insulated, like winter pants would be cool. But man, yeah, see, here's more like the shirts. I got a couple of these. Well, I got one. I gave one away. Oh, see, here's no. Oh, very cool. Ooh, backpacks. Ooh, I like that one. But no, I got enough backpacks. If you're watching, honey, I won't get a backpack today. I promise. Alice packs. Very cool. Ooh, that's a neat small one. But no, I don't need a backpack. Clearance. Shirt. Oh, there's some other packs over here. And socks. Yeah, sometimes you can really get some good deals. Sometimes you just gotta look around through things. Gloves, and you know, I always like to find the good deals on used pouches and stuff, because they're just really cool for a lot of things. Ooh. Yeah, they got a lot of backpacks, a lot of different styles and brands. They got used ones and new ones. All kinds of boonie hats. Oh my goodness. Why would you want a red one? I'm not sure. Or blue. Kind of cool though. Ooh, I like that color. It's kind of cool. I got a few. All kinds of boonies and packs and duffels and satchels, and I wasn't going to talk. There's some shamogs. All kinds of different gear bags. I think I got one of those. It's like a mechanic's bag and hats and gloves and mugs and license plates, belts, all kinds of shirts. So this is basically the one I have. I might have got it here, I don't know. Anyway, I love to use it for hiking, keeps the bugs away. And I got shorts and more hats and clothes. I mean, they got every kind of camo you can think of. I like woodland camo, it's my favorite. I got stickers and magnets and hats and pants and mugs and patches. Very cool store. There's a lot of different things here. Bandanas and so yeah, all different clothing and hats and all the different kinds of camo and oh, I like that one. Very cool. Yeah, there's so many different. Ooh. I'm thinking, because I had one like that and I think I gave it away. So, oh, those are like the old Boy Scout type canteens. Very cool. Ooh, I like that pouch. I don't know. Camping gear. I think that's my hammock I have in my pack. I got a few hammocks, but trekking poles. Ooh, nice kayak. I seen kayaks are like clearanced out at Runnings and Walmart and all kinds of cool do-rags. Ooh, I like these. Ooh, that's a neat size. Whoa, one-handed here. More camping gear. They got a lot of different stuff here. A lot of cool. I think I like the Molly bottle Nalgene holders. I never seen that one. I've seen the enclosed one before, but ooh, pots and hats and all kinds of stuff. Anyway, I think I'm going to end the video. I think that gives you a glimpse. They got a lot of police and security gear too. Very cool. Anyway, yeah, check out the Indy Army and Navy store in Indianapolis, Indiana. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this, please give it a thumbs up and watch my other videos. And yeah. And I did get something, an MRE, chili and macaroni. That'll be good. So that'll be in an upcoming video too. So anyway, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.